Okay, we're gonna do a little bit different type of soldering method, different method. It's called a reflow. And first I got to clean this pad up right here. There we go. Alright, that's cleaned. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to do what's called a reflow method, and we're using a product. It's called Chip Quick. And it's basically liquid solder. And what we do, we put a little bit on the pads where we're going to mount our IC component. Just a little bit, not much. Boy, that's way too much. A lot. Alright. Let's try that. Oh, it wants to do too much. Alright. Yeah, that's too much. I'm going to have to wipe. Let me clean that up. Yeah, that's just too much. Alright. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, let's see, just a little bit. All we want right there. Okay, that's good. Then that's good right there. Perfect. Now, let's get the chip. This is a called a 555 timer. And this right here shows where pin number 1 on the IC chip goes right here. That's what this little U symbol means. And there's a dot on the chip. Get the chip over here without dropping it. Oh, and there's a little dot on the chip that shows pin number 1. Alright. And that's this little dot right here that shows pin number 1 is right there. And it looks like I've got it. So now we'll take and reflow it with hot air, and hopefully everything will work. I'm not very good at this, but we'll try it out. Okay, that's kind of neat the way it does it. Alright. We got that on there. So I'm going to clean up with a soldering iron. Just pick up the extra solder. And let's see here. Put a little bit of flux on it, and we'll clean up these leads if they need cleaning up. There. turn it around, do the same thing. Okay, that's it. We got that soldered on there. Alright, now we're going to do the big chip, and it's the same process. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and then we put a little bit of the quick chip solder down. There, and that's looking good, looking good. Alright, that's what we want right there. Now let's get this next chip. This next IC chip is going to be a 4017, and I'm not sure what. I think it's a counter, some type of counter chip. Alright, find pin number 1. Our pin number 1 is going to go right here. That's pin number 1 right there. And there's a dot on the chip showing pin number 1. Let me see if I can get the chip over here without losing it. Oh boy, okay. Let's see, we'll try it this way. There we go. Alright. Just put it in place. Line up all the pins. Looks good. Now we get our hot air and reflow it. There we go. Want that chip to float a little bit. Oh, floated too much. There we go. She's on there. Got a little bit of a solder bridge right here. We're going to have to clean up with the soldering iron. Not a problem. So bring it around. Take our soldering iron, go to each pin, bring it out. Pull that solder out. Do it again. Let's see, let's put a little bit of flux on top. It always helps. That helps pulls the solder around where it needs to go. It's good. Now we'll bring it around, do the other side. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Throw these pins. And that's good. Alright. I think we are finished with our board. We'll be able to test our board here in just a minute.